You can see nobody's here. The lounge room, nobody's here. Well, I need to discuss something important to you. So let's go to the riverside. Because whenever we discuss something important, where we will go?
अब ये भी मुझे सिखाना पड़ेगा आपको.
So guys, right now you can see the time is 5:13. My alarm was, let me show you, 6:30 and 6:31. But I woke up so early.
अरे बेटे तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
Because yesterday night I was reading one article on AI, and after reading that article I thought of reading more about AI, and the information I got was really scary, so I thought of sharing it with you. So that's why I'm going to the riverside, and maybe because of that reason I woke up so early before the alarm. You know, when you have something going on your mind, it's not easy to sleep. See behind me, that guy, he's very old, but still he is coming for cycling at 5:15. Maybe I think he's done with cycling. So yeah, people do take care of their health, wake up so early. It's just that we are not taking care of our health, but it's good that I woke up early. Sometimes experiencing this thing, like waking up before your alarm, is also good. See, morning 5:15, 4 old people are cycling because of their health only. So let me give you the sunrise view. So the sun is rising, and this is how the riverside view is in the morning, 5 o'clock. In the last video I showed you people were playing baseball here. Okay, now let's talk on today's topic. Well, let me make the video quickly, and then I have to go to office also, so let's make it. Okay guys, let's start. So Google, Microsoft, IBM, Facebook, Amazon, few of the biggest tech giants have laid off their employees from their companies.
Is laying off employees from several teams.
Started to lay off staff.
The season of layoffs continues.
Right, the layoffs are already piling up.
Google laid off their 12,000 employees. Microsoft laid off their 10,000 employees. IBM replaced 8,000 jobs with AI. Meta, means Facebook company, has laid off their 11,000 employees, and Amazon 18,000 employees. So the common reason that was observed amongst all these layoffs is AI. In April 26, 2024, TCS CEO K. Krithivasan said that AI can take almost all the call center jobs in the coming 1 year. Not only call center jobs, but also, as per Goldman Sachs report, AI can take 300 million jobs across different fields. All the survey companies are publishing that AI can take away almost all the jobs. You know, but the real concern is that AI is in its initial phase. Just imagine that AI, if taking away jobs now, though AI is in its initial phase, imagine after 5 years or maybe after 10 years, what's going to happen? Maybe after 5 years or 10 years, AI might take away 90% of the job. Let's see whether the AI that humans have built will eat humans' jobs. Let's discuss a bit. Yes, at the end of the video I want to know your comments also on this topic, because this is the most important topic. Now let's see what artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence. Artificial and intelligence. Artificial means that it is made by humans, and intelligence means, you know, learning and decision making ability. So AI are machines that can think like humans, that can work like humans, make decisions like humans. So basically this technology mimics humans' actions. Well, initially when AI was built, it was built to help humans, like when we unlock our phone through face recognition. So that is AI. So Google Map also operates through AI, and Alexa and Siri, these applications also operate based on AI. But now the time has come that AI is performing way faster than humans, and the huge impact of this is on jobs. Well, whenever the new technology comes, few jobs are lost and few jobs are created. But this time the situation is different. The scenario is different. So let's take an example. For example, you are working as a content writer. What do you think? After the emergence of ChatGPT, are there many jobs left for content writers? You just had to give one instruction to ChatGPT and it will give you a much better content than a human can ever think of. At this stage, when AI has started everywhere, the AI is working at such a speed and accuracy. Imagine after 5 years what will happen. And it's not just about content writers, it's about all the fields. For example, if you're doing any kind of repetitive work, then you should rethink that whether AI can take my job or not. In this video, Sam Altman has said that the work which does not require any deep emotional connection, AI can perform that work faster and much better speed and accuracy.
My belief is that all repetitive human work that doesn't require the deep emotional connection between two people, that will all be done in the next couple of decades, better, cheaper, faster by AI.
If someone is working in a call center, so if you notice that they are replying almost the same line to all the customers, and that is why AI is more dangerous for these kind of jobs first and then coming to all the job categories. Let's take an example of McDonald's. You must have seen those ordering booths at McDonald's. For placing your order, you don't need any waiter there. You know, after this, in the US, McDonald's has opened a store where there is not even a single person working. From taking order to making food to delivering food, everything machines are doing. The other day, I also went to a Chinese restaurant in which 2 waiters are working, humans, and 4 robot waiters were working. And the robot waiters brought food for me. If those robot waiters were not there, humans would have been deployed there, employed there. That simply means there would be more jobs. But machines have taken those jobs. Now the question is that if you are working in a project or in a company where you are doing repetitive work, so should you need to worry? Yes. Answer is you need to worry. But listen, there is some twist, because these robots, no matter how much they are advanced, there is something that they lack into. Let me give you one real incident. Recently, a customer was talking to Air Canada chatbot and he said, I want my money back. And this robot created a refund policy himself. And then when this matter went to the court judge ordered that the company has to pay the refund to the customer, because if the chatbot belongs to that company, then all the responsibility regarding that chatbot belongs to the company, and the company had to pay the refund to that customer. Let me tell you one more incident, that at the court, the lawyer, the advocate was fighting a case against someone, and he passed all his arguments using the reference of the cases that ChatGPT had given to him. And when it was actually investigated whether these kind of cases exists or not, it was found out that ChatGPT gave him cases which never existed. So with AI, all these problems also exist. But on the other side, if we see, then AI can increase our productivity also. I have used ChatGPT myself, and yes, it is very helpful. Even Bill Gates has said that.
AI is a brilliant tool for people to be more productive.
And mainly if I tell you that why companies are preferring AI over humans is because they don't need any breaks, they don't need any sleep, they don't need any rest. So mainly companies are firing employees and adopting AI because they think we don't need to give any leave to any AI and it can work 24/7. I know this video is going to be a short video and I think I have conveyed what I wanted to convey. Now I want to listen from you that what you think of AI. It is very high time that we need to consider AI. If we don't consider AI now, then definitely we are making some mistake. Most important thing is that what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. It's time for me to go to office and yeah, very tired. Now office is also there. I think today overtime will also be there. So yeah, let's see. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, take care and have fun.